about to set off. We've rented a bike from Miss Nye and we're off on the motorbike loop for the next 3 days.
I think it's cassava. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's cassava.
They're just drying it out in the sun?
Yeah, I don't know why. Cassava's like, it's a bit like a root, isn't it? Like almost a potato sort of thing.
Well then what do they do with it once they've dried it out?
Eat it, I guess. I'm not 100% sure it is cassava, but it looks like it. Been really nice, these villages, haven't they?
Yeah, it's beautiful. All these stilted houses.
Yeah, yeah. So they've got banana trees in the front garden as well. So we've come to, is it Katu Homestay, Robyn? First stop on the tour, and Mr. Vieng over there. He's got a coffee plantation. He's going to show us around in a minute, but we're going to have a taste of the coffee first. How is it?
Really nice, yeah.
Really
very
good.
strong.
Yeah.
Very good.
It looks really nice, this house, Dad, and there's chickens running around.
So this one from this tree. This one for put for the pillow.
Okay. Pillow?
The pillow mattress. So strong, female.
Oh,
Male
okay.
is very strong. And then when you see inside, it's 2 beans. So female.
Okay,
And
that one we just...
1 beans. So male.
okay.
Yeah, let me see.
It's okay to eat?
Yeah, yeah.
So this is tamarind.
Do you use this bag
Mm.
or something?
No, it's probably, but you just
It's nice.
Yeah.
Egg fruit.
What is that? Egg fruit.
How do you eat?
Yeah, you eat like the egg, like pumpkin, like avocado.
But you cook
No,
cook
not
it?
cook, just eat like this. Never
Amazing.
cook, just eat like that.
Go on,
With the
Rob.
skin also?
What's it smell like?
Yeah, you can eat with the skin, but
Better without.
Like a fruit.
It looks like.
Crazy colour.
They don't
I like
sell
that.
it. They don't
Good.
sell in market this fruit because people don't like.
Really?
Yeah.
I like that one.
Like
Did you
that.
plant these trees or just
Yeah,
born?
just
You like it?
grow and like we eat some from some place and we live here and then grow by ourselves.
Yeah, I do.
Then we
Do
keep
you know what
this
it
for
reminds me
mixer
of?
for
You know when you buy a pick and mix and
Ah,
it's got
okay.
the bananas in it?
It's okay,
You know, like the fake bananas.
planted
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
like that?
It didn't
Yeah.
grow up naturally.
It's a bit cakey.
Yeah.
You planted also the
Claggy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
food
it's like a
plant,
cake.
yeah, food
Okay.
plant, yeah.
All that?
Yeah,
It tastes like lemons.
yeah, yes, that's like lemon.
Really?
It's like that. Crunch.
Yes, yes.
I want to try.
Whoa. Sour. I was not expecting that.
So like just like if you see this end, so possible to try to eat. Other ends not possible. Just this end.
This
The
is
larvae.
the
There's even a...
and eggs.
Aren't they? Yeah.
And what do these ones taste like? not sour like the ants.
Yeah, no.
Sweet?
Yeah, like a nut.
Nuts? Nutty
It's sweet.
taste?
It's like kind of.
Juicy.
I don't know. Yeah, like lime, no? A bit sweet,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
a bit acid. No,
Yeah.
not acid, lime. Okay, but.
Peanuts.
And this is our hut in Tadlow. Chrissy's just parking the bike by the chickens. A couple of pigs knocking around. And this is, I think it's called Salomian Guest House. This is 50,000 a night. Really basic. The toilets are just outside. This is the view from the balcony. We have a hammock, the river, and you can see in the distance the waterfall. Beautiful, beautiful spot.
What a great place this is, isn't it?
Beautiful place.
Yeah.
Have some lunch, chill out on the hammock, read a book, go for a swim in the river.
And that's it. All day. Finished. Come to an organic tea, pepper and silk plantation just on the way towards Thakhek. It's cooked, you eat?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Alright.
I've never
So
had
Uh,
it's
that.
algae?
Algae, yeah, grows in the water.
Yes.
Yeah.
But under is only the water.
Oh, okay.
So you can either eat it or use it for a face mask.
You can put it on your wrinkles.
Yeah, it's really strong.
It's raw.
Wow.
It's nice.
What's this?
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus.
It's like a bit rhubarb. Do you
Sure.
think?
Yeah, yeah.
Rhubarb.
It's good.
White tea, green tea, black tea, and oolong tea. That
Okay.
is, yes.
Red pepper.
A red peppercorn. I just tried a green one and then I went,
Yeah, me too. And this one's spicy.
A little sweet, alright.
yeah,
And
it is.
then this spice.
Yeah. It's got the corn in the middle.
Good?
Spicy. It's only tobacco. So this one's a tobacco plant.
We stayed here last night and we're staying here tonight, Tadlow. And then today we went to the Silk and Tea Farm first, which was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's right, yeah. It was really good.
And then we went to Mr. Hook in the ethnic village.
Yeah.
And
Ethnic
we couldn't
minority, yeah.
we couldn't really record there. Some of the older women believe that it brings bad luck.
Not just the women, not the older people.
The older people, yeah.
And they believe that if you take a picture of them, then you take their soul. And you take their soul away.
But we had a tour around with Mr. Hook and it was really interesting.
It was cool.
And a little shocking. It was shocking.
Yeah. There was, when we drove in, there was just kind of stilted houses, like dirt floor everywhere, and there's children just everywhere, weren't there, naked,
Playing
some of them running around,
and
playing on a building site.
not just playing, smoking.
Smoking. Yeah.
They start smoking at the age of 2.
Huge pipes, which I think you recorded me having a.
Yeah, so Chris had a little go on one,
Yeah,
but
really superstitious
yeah.
tribe, 'cause everything was surrounded bad luck, wasn't it?
Yeah, so if someone has an accident and dies
die,
from it,
yeah.
the family are banished to the forest for 5 years.
Yeah.
One of the most shocking things he told us was that they get married at about the age of 8 or 9.
8 or 9.
And some of these girls will be 8 or 9 and they'll be marrying a 45, 50-year-old man. And
Yeah.
which could also be their uncle, their cousin.
I found that really difficult to wrap my head around.
Yeah. To hear.
Said about if somebody dies, so if someone gets married, because they can get married so young, if their
If the husband
dies,
dies.
then they have to stay in the family.
So that the
So they can
husband's
marry
wife
the brother,
or the dad.
or the dad, or the uncle, but like the wife has to stay in the family.
And the woman can only have one husband, whereas the husband can have multiple
Many.
wives.
Yeah.
He was saying that the girls have babies 12, 13 years
they're
old.
able to, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I think being a woman in their culture would be really hard.
So, and also the women are the
Really
ones who go
hard.
to work. So the men stay at home, play cards with their friends and drink,
Yeah.
and the women go out to work.
Yeah. It's all really interesting, wasn't
But
it?
some elements of it were very difficult to hear.
Yeah.
And even understand from our point of view.
Yeah. It was definitely a must-do. It was quite
Difficult at times.
difficult to hear some of the things that go on, but I think it was a must-do.
When we were at the tea and silk farm, they were selling some rice whiskey.
Yeah.
You're going to give it a go?
I think we should, yeah. But that farm was great today, wasn't it?
Really good.
They like do rice whiskey, so should we give it a little try?
Are you going straight from the bottle?
I don't know if you can just straight from the bottle, can you?
No.
Oh, it's the best one. It's much nicer than the stuff I had in Mung Noi. You know, stuff that like just vaporised off my tongue. This stuff, now that's much more like sake. Try it. I mean, it's still like, it's not
There
sake.
we go, that's the bottle.
That's the lady.
Day 3 on the Bolaven Plateau Loop.
Packed up.
Packed up, and we're going to finish off the loop today and head back towards Paksay.
Very nice.